Bright Duty. Every student matters.
Hello students, my name is Sanjay Jain. In today's lecture of pair of linear equations in two variables, we will practice questions on cross multiplication method. Right? By now we know the theory part of cross multiplication method, and now in this lecture we will do some important questions from your board preparation point of view. Okay? So let's revisit the concept in brief. If you have got two equations like this, a1x b1y plus c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0, right? In the cross multiplication method, you will write x here and then multiply b1 with c2, b2 with c1. So, you will write b1 c2 minus b2 c1 here, right? And then y divided by, you will write, first of all you write the coefficients like this, b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 and then b1 b2 again, right, because this might be a little confusing for you. So, you write the coefficients like this and then you multiply like this, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 and then c1 a2 minus c2 a1, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 and then 1 divided by a1 b2 minus 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, right. So, this is how you will write these. Now, you can find x by equating this with this, right. Similarly, you can find y by equating this with this. Okay. So, x will be b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and similarly y will be c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by this same denominator, and this denominator cannot be equal to 0. Okay. If this denominator is 0, then this does not make sense. This cross multiplication method will not work in that case. What are those cases? Those are the cases where a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Right. In those cases, we will not use the cross multiplication method. Now, we will use the cross multiplication method in case of only unique solution. So, which of the following pair of linear equations has unique solution, no solution or infinitely many solutions? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. Now, let us compare the ratios of coefficients here. Again, we can see that 3 by 2 is not equal to 2 by 1. Hence, unique solution, right. And to find the solution, let me write the coefficients like this, b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 and then b1 b2. Once again, I will write x here, y here and 1 here. So, x divided by 2 into 10 20 minus 1 into 25 25 should be equal to y divided by 25 into 2 50 minus 10 into 3 30 should be equal to 1 divided by 3 into 1, that is 3, minus 2 into 2, that is 4. So, x divided by minus 5 is equal to y divided by 20 is equal to, this is 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So, 1 divided by minus 1 is nothing but minus 1. So, this equality will give me values of x and y. What will be x? X will be equal to minus 5 into minus 1, that is 5. Y will be equal to 20 into minus 1, that is minus 20. Okay. So, this is the solution. Now, this equation clearly 2 by 1 is not equal to minus 1 by minus 1, hence unique solution. And to obtain that solution, we will write the coefficients like this, minus 1 minus 6 minus 2 and 2 1 minus 1 once again x y 1. Why did I write minus 6 and minus 2? Because I brought them on the left hand side. This equation can be written as 2x minus y minus 6 equal to 0, and this one x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so this is in the standard form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and similarly a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So once you have written the coefficients like this, you can write x divided by 1 into minus 1 into minus 2, that is 2, minus 1 into minus 6 is 6, okay, equals y divided by minus 6 into 1, that is minus 6, minus of minus 4, that is plus 4, and it should be equal to 1 divided by 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, and then minus of minus 1, that is plus 1, right. So what equality did you get from here? X divided by minus 4 is equal to y divided by minus 2 is equal to 1 divided by minus 1, that is minus 1. Right now it is very easy to find x. X is minus 4 into minus 1, that is 4. Y is minus 2 into minus 1, that is 2. I hope you will find the cross multiplication method very easy. You just have to take care how to write these coefficients like this. You need to learn this pattern, that it starts with b1 b2, then c1 c2, a1 a2, and then again b1 b2, right. You write x here, y here, and 1 here, okay. So this is the pattern how you write these coefficients. After that it is very simple, you just multiply these minus these, okay. Alright, now this time the variables are in the denominator. So the first step would be to bring it in the numerator. What I can do is I can write 1 by x plus y as a new variable. So let me write it as u, and 1 by x minus y with another variable v. Now after I do this, these equations will become 57u plus 6v equals 5, or I can bring 5 on the left hand side here itself, minus 5 equal to 0. So this equation will become 38u plus 21v minus 9 equal to 0. Now I can apply the cross multiplication method, but when I apply the cross multiplication method in this set of equations, I will get the values of u and v. Once I get the values of u and v, I will put it here and then find the value of x and y, right. So to apply cross multiplication method here, let me write the coefficients: 6, 21, minus 5, minus 9, 57, 38, 6, 21 once again. So I will write u here and v and then 1, right. So u divided by 6 into minus 9 is minus 54, and then minus of minus 105, that is plus 105. It should be equal to v divided by 38 into minus 5, 190 negative, right, minus of minus 9 into 57, that is plus 513, okay, and it should be equal to 1 divided by 57 into 21. So 57 into 20 is how much? 1140, and then you need to multiply it with 21. So I'll add 57 here. So 1197 is this product, 57 into 21, and then you have to subtract 38 into 6, which will be 228, right. So what equation do we get here? U divided by 105 minus 50 is 55, right, and then you subtract 4, that is 51. It is equal to V divided by 513 minus 190. So if you subtract, let us say 200, then it will give you 313, and then you have to add 10. So 323. Okay. 1 divided by 1197 minus 228. 869. Okay. This will be equal to this will be equal to 969. Okay. So 1 divided by 969 here. Now value of u will be equal to 51 divided by 969 and value of v will be equal to 323 divided by 969. Now this is simple, this is 1 by 3 and this will be equal to, if you multiply 51 by 19, let us try with 19 because the last digit is 9 here. So it will give you 19, then 10, no. Yes, it will give you 969. So it will give you 1 by 19 for u and v is 1 by 3. Okay. So 1 by 19 for u and v is 1 by 3. Now this is not the answer for this question. I need to find x and y. So 1 by x plus y, 1 by x plus y is 1 by 19 and 1 by x minus y is 1 by 3. So I can say x plus y is equal to 19 and x minus y is equal to 3. Let it be my first equation and this one my second equation. Now rather than using the cross multiplication method, you can use another method also which is easier. So if I add these two equations, I will get 2x equal to 22. Hence x is equal to 11. Now if I put x equal to 11 in any of these, let us say I put it here. So 11 plus y is 19, hence I can say y is equal to 8. So this is your final answer. Okay. Now in this question, coefficient of x is 2a, so you just expand this, 2ax minus 2by plus a plus 4b is equal to 0, 2bx plus 2ay plus b minus 4a is equal to 0. Now this is acting as constant and this is acting as constant for the second equation. This is coefficient of x, this is coefficient of y here. So let me start with writing the coefficients in the pattern that we have learned. Minus 2b, 2a, a plus 4b, b minus 4a, 2a, 2b and then minus 2b and 2a again. I will write x here, y here and 1 here. So x divided by minus 2b into b minus 4a. So what will be this product? Minus 2b into b will be minus 2b square, minus 2b into minus 4a will be plus 8ab, and then you have to subtract this product which is 2a square plus 8ab, that will become minus 8ab because we are subtracting it, right. It is equal to y divided by this product here which is 2ab plus 8b square, and then we need to subtract this. So we will subtract minus 2ab and this is minus 8a square, right, and we are subtracting, so minus minus plus, and it is equal to 1 divided by 4a square minus of minus 4b square, that is plus 4b square. Okay. So, this part of the equation x divided by, let me simplify this further. I can cancel 8ab with this 8ab, and I can take minus 2 as common. Inside I will have a square plus b square, and it is equal to, from here I can cancel 2ab and take 8 common from the denominator, leaving a square plus b square inside, and it is equal to this expression here. If I take 4 common, a square plus b square inside. Now it is very simple. X is equal to minus 2 a square plus b square divided by 4 a square plus b square. I have equated these two. Okay. So, this got cancelled here. Minus 1 by 2 is the value of x. For finding value of y, I will compare these two. So, y is equal to 8 a square plus b square divided by 4 a square plus b square. So, the value is 2. Okay. So, this is the solution. This one should be done by you. So, I will just write the coefficients. You write the coefficient like this: 1, 12, minus 7, 1, 5, and then 1, 12 once again, x, y and 1. So, x divided by minus 7 plus 84, right, this is minus 7, this will give you minus 84. Minus of minus 84 will become plus 84, right, this is plus, is equal to y divided by minus 35 minus of minus 7, that is plus 7, and it is equal to 12, 1 by 12 minus 5. Now, I leave the final part to you, right. Okay. Here the coefficient of x in this equation is 1 by a, and in this it is 1 by a square. So, if I write it in standard form, I can write it like this: x by a, or if I need to show you the coefficient separately, you can write it as 1 by a x plus 1 by b y minus a plus b, and it is equal to 0. Okay. Similarly, this equation you can visualize like this: 1 by a square into x plus 1 by b square into y minus 2 equal to 0, right. Now, write the coefficients like we learnt: 1 by b square minus a plus b minus 2, 1 by a square, and then 1 by b square once again, x, y and 1. So, x divided by minus 2 by b minus, that is minus minus plus, right, plus a plus b divided by b square. It is equal to y divided by this product, which is minus a plus b divided by a square, okay, and then minus of minus 2 by a, that is plus 2 by a, and it is equal to 1 divided by this product, which is 1 by a b square minus 1 by a square b. Okay. Now, let me further simplify it a bit. This can be written as x divided by, you can take b square as your LCM. Okay. So, you can write it as minus 2b. If b square is the LCM, you can write it as minus 2b plus a plus b here, and it is equal to, if you take a square as your LCM here, you can write minus a minus b plus 2a, right, and if you take 1 by ab common, you can write 1 by b minus 1 by a inside. Okay. So, this expression will become b square x divided by b minus 2b is minus b. So, a minus b here, y divided by minus b will remain as it is a minus b, and a square will go in the numerator, and it is equal to, this can be written as 1 by ab. So, ab can be written here, and this is a minus b, this is a minus b divided by ab. So, you can write a square b square here, right. Now, finding value of x is very easy. X is equal to, if you compare these, b square will get cancelled, right, and a minus b will get cancelled. So, x is equal to a square. Similarly, y is equal to a minus b will get cancelled in these two, and a square will also get cancelled. So, y is equal to b square. So, this is your answer, right. Okay. Another question where coefficients are not the numbers, right. So, again I will write it in the standard form that we have learnt, ax plus by minus a plus b, bx minus ay minus a minus b, and it is equal to 0, it is equal to 0. So, you write the coefficients like this, b minus a plus b minus a minus b, a b, and then b minus a again, x y 1, right. So, x divided by, now you tell me, this product which is minus ab minus b square, and then you need to subtract this product. So, you write minus sign here and then you create a bracket, minus a into a is a square, minus a into minus a is a square, minus a into plus b is minus ab, okay. It is equal to y divided by this product which is minus ab plus b square, and then you need to subtract product of these which is minus a square minus ab, and it is equal to 1 divided by minus a square minus b square, right. Now, you simplify these, x divided by, this is minus ab minus b square minus a square plus ab, this minus and this minus will become plus, it is equal to y divided by minus ab plus b square plus a square and then plus ab, and it is equal to, if I take minus common, minus 1 by a square plus b square, right. Now, you see ab will be cancelled here, ab can be cancelled here also. So, this is x divided by minus a square plus b square, and this is y divided by a square plus b square, and it is equal to minus 1 by a square plus b square. After this, this is just the simple comparison of these equations for x. So, x will be equal to, this negative will be cancelled, a square plus b square will be cancelled. So, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1, right. Similarly, in this equation we can write it in standard form like this, bx plus ay minus 2ab equal to 0. What I have done is I have multiplied both sides of this equation by ab, okay. So, this term became bx, this term became ay, and this became 2ab, which I brought to the left hand side, and this is my equation number 1. And equation 2 is ax minus by is equal to a square minus b square. So, if I bring a square minus b square on the left hand side, this will become minus a square plus b square equals 0, and this is my second equation, right. To apply cross multiplication method, I will write a minus b minus 2ab minus a square plus b square, b a, and then a minus b again, x, y, and 1. So, x divided by this product which is minus a cubed plus ab square, and then I need to subtract this which is 2ab square, it is equal to y divided by this product which is minus 2a square b, and then subtract this. So, minus this is minus a square b plus b cube. It is equal to 1 divided by minus b square minus a square. Okay. Again we have simplified it. Now you further simplify it, x divided by this. From this what can you take as common? If you take a common from this, otherwise this is minus 2ab square, this is plus ab square. So, you can take, let me first write it, then I will take common, minus a cube minus ab square, right. Now, you can take a as common or minus a as common. Let us do it in the next step. Okay. Y divided by, this is minus 2a square b, this is minus minus plus a square b, and this is minus b cube. It is equal to 1 minus 1 by a square plus b square. Now, if you notice in this also you can write this as like this, minus x divided by a common, a square plus b square inside, and it is equal to, see, a square b minus 2a square b will become minus a square b. So, y divided by minus a square b minus b cube, and it is equal to minus 1 by a square plus b square. I hope this question is clear to you by now, right. I am just doing the calculation part, which is very easy for you. Y divided by, if you take minus as common and b as common, a square plus b square will be inside. So, what is x? This minus minus, I will compare these two, right. A square plus b square will get cancelled, minus sign will get cancelled. So, x is equal to a. Similarly, y is equal to, this will get cancelled, a square plus b square, and this minus sign will also be cancelled. So, y is equal to b. X is equal to a and y is equal to b is your answer for this question. Okay. Solve the following systems of equations in x and y. So, this equation when written in standard form, a minus b is the coefficient of x, a plus b is coefficient of y, and the constant term is this minus a square plus 2ab plus b square, and it is equal to 0. And this has to be multiplied inside, right. If you multiply these two brackets, it will be like this, ax plus bx, or you can write it as a plus b of x and then plus a plus b of y, right. So, I will write it like this. So, this equation will become a plus b x plus a plus b y and minus a square minus b square equal to 0. Okay. Once you have written it in standard form, you just write the coefficients a plus b minus a square plus 2ab plus b square minus a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b, a plus b, a plus b. I will suggest my students not to be overwhelmed by looking at these equations, right. These may look difficult to you, but if you know the basics, you just follow the standard procedure and you will see that it is very simple to solve these equations, which might look a little difficult. Okay. So, x, y, 1, x divided by a plus b into this minus a square minus b square minus this product here, a plus b minus a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. For this question, I will write y separately here, y divided by this product minus a square plus 2ab plus b square into a plus b minus this product minus a square minus b square into a minus b, and I'll write 1 divided by a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square, and then you need to subtract this product which is a plus b whole square. Okay, let us simplify these equations. X divided by, what is this product? This is minus a cube, or what you can do is you can take a plus b common from these two, right? So if I take a plus b common, this will be minus a square minus b square, and you need to subtract this. So minus of minus a square will become plus a square minus 2ab minus b square, right? And y divided by, now what you cannot take common, a plus b cannot be taken as common from these, so we will have to multiply. A when multiplied with this will give you minus a cube plus 2a square b plus ab square minus a square b plus 2ab square plus b cubed, and then minus a minus a square. So minus a cube, and then minus minus plus a cube. So plus a cube, and a multiplied with this will become minus ab square, and this minus sign will make it plus ab square. Minus b multiplied with this will become plus a square b, so it will write minus a square b. Minus b into minus b square will become plus b cube, so we will write it as minus b cube. Okay. Let us simplify this also. 1 divided by a square minus b square, this can be written as minus a square minus b square minus 2ab. Okay. So a square can be cancelled here, a cube cancelled here, b cube can be cancelled, a square b minus a square b is minus 2a square b, and this is plus 2a square b. So this can also be cancelled. We are left with ab square and 2ab square, so 4ab square. And here if I cancel a square with this a square, let me see, x divided by, this is a plus b into minus 2b square minus 2ab, it is equal to y divided by, this is 4ab square, and it is equal to 1 divided by minus 2b square minus 2ab, right? You look at the expression, this is something like this, right? This is same like this. So x is simply a plus b. We have got the value of x here, because this will get cancelled and x will be equal to a plus b, but y is equal to 4ab square divided by minus 2b square minus 2ab. So if I take minus 2b common, I will be left with b plus a, and which can further be written as minus 2ab divided by b plus a, which is the value of y, right? So this is how you will proceed with these questions. You will just follow the basics, right? First write the coefficients in this format and then cross multiply carefully, right? Do not miss the negative signs or positive signs. Take care of the calculation part and you will be through. Look at this one. For bringing the variables in the numerator, I will convert 1 by x in u and 1 by y in v. So this equation will become au minus bv equals 0, and this one will become ab square u plus a square bv minus a square minus b square equals 0. Now I can apply cross multiplication method and find u and v, right. Then I will put it here and find x and y. So to find u and v, let me write the coefficients like this: minus b, a square b, right, and then you do not have a constant term here, right, you do not have a constant term, so you write 0 and you write minus a square minus b square, ab square, and then minus b, a square b once again. So x, rather than writing x here, I should have written u, so you write u, v, and then 1, okay. So I will multiply this u divided by this product, which is b a square plus b cube minus 0, so I leave it like that, is equal to v divided by this product, which is 0, and then minus of this product. So minus of minus will become plus a cube and plus ab square. It is equal to 1 divided by this product, which is a cubed b minus of this product. So minus of minus will come plus a b cubed, right. So u divided by, if I take b common, I can write it as b square plus a square or a square plus b square. V divided by, if I take a common, a square plus b square. From here, if I take ab common, a square plus b square. Now value of u is what? 1 by a, value of v is 1 by b. If you don't understand how I got these, I want you to compare these and find yourself. Okay. So u is 1 by a, v is 1 by b. So what is x? X is just the reciprocal of u and y is just the reciprocal of v. So x is a, y is b, and this is your answer, right. Again a difficult looking question, but it is very simple, right. So this equation is ax plus by minus 1 equal to 0, and look at these two equations. We are given an option here, bx plus ay equals this expression or this expression, whatever you choose. Why? Because this expression is nothing but this, a plus b whole square by a square plus b square minus 1 can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab minus this product, which is minus a square minus b square, divided by a square plus b square. Now this can be cancelled, so it is nothing but 2ab by a square plus b square, right. So we will use this one. So the second equation is bx plus ay minus 2ab divided by a square plus b square, and it is equal to 0. So again that standard procedure that we have learnt, we will write the coefficients b a minus 1 minus 2ab divided by a square plus b square, a b, and then b a again. So x divided by this, which is minus 2ab square by a square plus b square, minus of minus a, that is plus a, equals y divided by this minus b and this minus of minus plus, that is 2a square b divided by a square plus b square, and it is equal to 1 divided by a square minus b square. Okay. Now you further simplify it. This is basic algebra. Minus 2ab square plus a cube plus ab square divided by a square plus b square equals y, a square b negative sign minus b cube plus 2a square b, and it is equal to 1 by a square minus b square. Okay, and you write a square plus b square here also. So this will become x into a square plus b square divided by, this is a cube, right? This will remain as it is, a cube minus 2ab square plus ab square will become minus ab square. It is equal to y divided by, this is plus 2a square b, this is minus a square b. So it will leave me with a square b minus b cube, and this will go in the numerator, a square plus b square. It is equal to 1 by a square minus b square, right? Now this can be written as a square plus b square. This is just the calculation part left. A square minus b square, y a square plus b square divided by b common, a square minus b square. It is equal to 1 by a square minus b square, and from here it is pretty obvious that x will be equal to, when you compare these two, this a square minus b square will be cancelled with this a will go here, and this a square plus b square will come here. So this is the value of x, and what will be the value of y? Y will be equal to b divided by a square plus b square. I hope you have understood the cross multiplication method by now. Okay, so this is it for this exercise. We have done ample practice on cross multiplication method, elimination method, substitution method, right? Now in the next lectures we will try some word problems. We will create the mathematical problem using that statement given, and then we will solve it using the methods which are given in the instructions or which are convenient to us. Okay, thank you.